Welcome back, boys and girls. Kindergarten math, early math. So, what happened is that when you do well and we did well the last two lessons, Khan Academy will have such thing as called a level up faster. It says, okay, it says level up faster. Take the course challenge to level up on what you already know. So this basically you could speed things up if you pass. So let's see how it goes. You could either start course challenge or no thanks. I'm gonna try it, okay? Let's erase this first. Let's erase. Okay, there it goes. All right, let's do the challenge. And remember, you gotta get your mom to sign you up for Khan Academy. And then you gotta do the lessons on your own. Just listening to me will not help because you kind of get the general idea, but you won't really know how to do it until you yourself actually do the lessons yourself, all right? But I'm reading them because that's one weakness in Khan Academy in the early grades and in kindergarten, because most kids cannot read those questions and words. So that's what I come in for. Okay, here we go. All right, let me read it for you. Ready for the course challenge? That's right. Test your skills in a challenge. Put everything you've learned to the test and show what you know. 30 questions, 45 minutes. So basically, they're going to test you to see whether they can place you in a faster track. So, and a lot of you already know some of the math already. Okay, let's go. All right, I'm going to use stairs. What is the missing number? All right, what is the missing number? 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107. What's after 107? Say it. 108. So you got to type it. 108. 109, 110. Correct. Good work. Keep it up for 29 more. How is a rectangle divided? Okay, I'm going to put that. How is a rectangle divided? Choose one answer. Okay, well, how many pieces is this divided into? 3 pieces. So each of these pieces will be 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Okay? 1/3. Or thirds. Okay, there's halves right here. There's fourths, there's thirds, none of the above. Thirds is correct. Nice work, you got it. Onward, next question. Oh, 10 is equal to, okay, blank plus 9. So 10 is equal to blank plus 9. So let's say this is blank, right? And let's say this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what comes after 9? 10. So we need one more piece. One more piece. So 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Or 10 is equal to 1 plus, right here, 9. Right? So the answer here should be, what is it? Blank plus 9. What is the number? Say it. Yes, 1. That's the answer. Great work. 3 questions done. Keep going. All right, let's read this thing. Is it taller or shorter? Well, the whale is all the way up here. and this 3 piece is all the way down here. The whale is all right. Let's see. How do you do it? Is it taller or shorter? Huh. How do you do this? The whale is taller than the 3 blocks, but I can't seem to see if I can do it now. No, I still can't do it. It won't let me, okay. The squirrel is shorter than the 3 blocks, so the whale is taller than the squirrel. They won't let me do it. Let's see, how would I do this? Let me try again here. There's some glitches here. There's a glitch in that problem. Course challenge. Okay, now I think they'll let me do it. Oh, I figured it out. You just have to hit this thing again. Hit it again, then it'll work. All right, the whale is taller than, and the squirrel is shorter than the 3 blocks. So the whale is the whale taller or shorter than the squirrel? Say it. You're right, taller. So you put taller there. So it should be right. Great work. Now, my main question is, if you're young and TK, preschool, kindergarten, you might not be able to read these questions. And that's why I'm reading for you. All right. Amy has 6 $1 bills, 3 $5 bills, and one $10 bill. How much money does Amy have in all? So you gotta use this. So Amy has 6 $1 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we group them in 5, like 5 fingers. So it has 6 $1 bills. So this stands for 6 $1 bills. And then 3 $5 bills. 3 $5 bills. Okay, let's call this plus. Let's put a different color. 3 $5 bills. Let's make it like that. How about that? These are $5 bills. Okay, I cannot do it exactly correct, but anyway. And then one $10 bill. So I'll just make it bigger to stand for 10. All right. So how much money does Amy have in all? So there's a $10. There's a $3. So now you have 10 plus 3. Okay, so 10. Oh, okay, so this one has $5 bills. These are $10. So it's 10 plus, I'm rearranging them. I'll start from here at this side first. So 10 plus 3 $5 bills. So it's 3 $5 bills. So that's 3 5 5 plus 5 plus 5. You know, I got a feeling this might be too hard for you. For me, of course, it's not that hard, but for you, it might be hard. So it's 15. Maybe we just go over every one of them. And don't try to speed it up because I think it might be too hard for you. Okay, plus 6. So it's 25 plus 6 is equal to 31. It might be too hard for you. That's my concern. So let's go back, click here, hit 31. I think I'm going to stop it. I think it might be too hard for you. Okay, I'm going to stop it. I think it's too hard for you. So we're just going to do every problem. Okay. We just continue. All right. All right, let's go to the next problem. I think that, yeah, that test was too hard. Okay. Go to lesson page. Ready to practice? Okay. Show us what you can do. Go to lesson page. I think it's bigger. I got it. It's bigger. All right. Lee had 12 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They're correct. She got one more banana. So it's one more plus one more. That's all I could do. Okay, it's a big banana, I guess. Now she has how many bananas? So it's 12 plus 1 is 13. So it's 13. So the correct one is A is 13, B is 10, C is 8. Which one is it? It's 13. Say it. A. Nice work. You got it. Onward. Okay. The aquarium had 14 seals. They got one more seal. So it's 14 plus 1. What's after 1? What's after 14 is 15. So that's it. That's the answer. 15. So let's count which one has 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that looks like the answer. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, that's the answer. A. Good work, you got it. 5 more. Next question. All right. Bella saw 16 acorns. One acorn rolled away. Bella saw 16 acorns. One acorn rolled away, so there was 16. There was 16 acorns. And then one rolled away. That means minus 1. If 16 minus 1, so what comes before 16? You have a number line. Oh, it won't do it. Number line. You have a number line. We did a number line every day. There's 14, 15, 16. So here's 16 in the number line. What comes before 16? Say it. 15. So 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. All right? So the answer is 15. Which one is 15? A, B, or C? Say it. B. Great work. Keep going. Remember, you got to do it on your own too. Don't just look at me. If you're looking at me, you just kind of head knowledge. Some people could listen to once and play the piano. Some people could listen once and look at what I'm doing and get the math, but most of us need to practice the piano every day, and most of us need to do the lessons on our own. That's the way it is. The cow, the cows shown below were in a field. That's how many cows. One, count them with me. Two, three, four, five, six. One cow went into the barn, so you got six minus one because one went into the barn. So now blank cows are in the field. So first there's one. First there's six, and then one went away. This one went to the barn, so you can see you cross that out. So how many are now in the field? Let's count them. One, two, three, four, five. So now you have five. Which is the answer? That's five. A, B, or C? Say it. You got it. A. Keep it up for three more. Three more, we're done, okay? Mia had 4 horses. One, two, three, four. That's correct. She got one more horse. She got one more horse. So now you got another horse. All right. It's not easy to draw here. Anyway, that's supposed to be the horse. Trying the best I can with this. All right. Now she has how many horses? 4, 5. Okay, which one's 5? A, B, or C? Say it. C. Check. Good work. Keep going. All right. Ling grilled 2 hot dogs. She grilled one more hot dog. How many hot dogs did Ling grill? So there was 2 hot dogs, and then she grilled one more. Now what's the total, basically? Say it. Should be. Say it. 3. Okay, which one shows 3? A, B, or C? You got it. A. Good work. You got it. One more. One more. We're done. All right. Hang in there. Part of life is focusing. The zoo had 1 penguin. The zoo got 1 more penguin. So 1, 2. That's equal to 2 penguins. Now there are blank penguins at the zoo. Choose one answer. So which one shows 2 penguins? A, B, or C? Say it. You got it. That should be it. Good work. Show summary. Keep going. Keep growing. 7 out of 7, 485 energy points. All right, boys and girls. You're doing good. Find one more or one less than a number. Tomorrow we're done, I think. Let's see, what is, so it'll be the next one. Next lesson is numbers 0 to 120, or missing numbers. Practice missing numbers. So that's tomorrow. Best wishes, boys and girls. Don't forget to smash the subscribe and like, and hit the bell so that you will not miss any of my videos that come out every day. And we will see you, boys and girls. Just keep working at it, and you will be ready for first grade. Just do all of this math this summer, all of first grade, and then when you go to first grade, you are way ahead of everyone else. The secret is to go 2 or 3 years ahead. You know, in the other countries, in the Asian countries, in Israel, in some of the African countries, and even in Europe, they are doing so well because they are like 3 or 4 grades ahead. When they come over here to the United States, they're 3 grades above, so that when they're doing math, they're at the top of the class because they already covered them already. That's the secret. So you might not be able to do catch up 3 years, but you could do 2 years. You could do all of kinder and all of first, and this summer, maybe even part of second, and then you every summer you do that. Every summer you just do go above 2 or 3 grades above, even 4 grades, 5 grades. I like to keep doing this every day, just a little bit every day, and then just over the summer, and in fact, even when regular school comes, I will continue to do this because I want to the next 10 years. I want to do well in calculus. When I was in school, I was not. I didn't do so well in the regular calculus course. The easier calculus course, business calculus, I did okay, but the regular I did not do so well. So my background, my foundation was weak. So I want to catch up. So I'm going to try to do the next 10 years every day, do it using Khan Academy and go on to do well in calculus. If I do it every day, my brain will get smarter and I will have the foundation and I won't struggle. So I hope you can come along with this journey with me in the next 10 years. Go from kindergarten all the way to calculus, and you will be able to take any job you want to take in the science field, whether it's medical doctor or scientists and so on. A lot of you want to be medical doctors, and some of you want to be scientists. Some of you want to be police investigators. Those involve science and math. All right, boys and girls, we'll see you in the next video. Best wishes to you.